Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your car's been feeling sluggish, your fuel economy's dropping, or the engine just isn't running like it used to, it might be time to show your fuel system some love. In today's video, we're diving into the best fuel injector cleaners you can get this year. I'm not talking about old formulas or overhyped bottles. These are the latest, most effective, and best reviewed options available right now in the US market. I've ranked them from good to absolute game changer, so make sure to stick around till the end. Whether you're driving a daily commuter, a weekend ride, or something in between, this list could make a real difference under your hood. Let's get right into it, starting with number 5. Number 5, Royal Purple Max Clean. Let's kick off the list with a product that doesn't scream for attention, but quietly gets the job done. Royal Purple Max Clean. If your car's been feeling a bit tired lately, maybe the throttle response is off, your MPG isn't what it used to be, or you're just noticing some rough idling, this is one of those worth-a-shot cleaners that might actually surprise you. What I really appreciate about Max Clean is its simplicity. You don't need to be a mechanic or know anything about engines. Just pour it into your gas tank, drive as usual, and let it do its thing. Over the next couple of tanks, you may notice a smoother ride, better acceleration, and even a slight boost in fuel economy. It's not going to turn your car into a rocket ship, but for something you spent less than $20 on, it pulls more weight than you'd expect. Max Clean also has the added bonus of stabilizing your fuel if your car sits for a while, say over winter or during long trips, which means less chance of buildup and gunk settling in. It also helps reduce emissions a bit, which is always a plus. But let's be clear, this isn't a miracle cure. If your car has deeper issues, Max Clean won't magically fix them. But if your injectors are dirty, or your fuel system just needs a little maintenance love, it's a great option. It's more of a quiet helper than a flashy fix. Who's it for? Drivers who want to take care of their car without spending a fortune. Whether you're doing a bit of DIY upkeep, or just trying to keep things running smooth between oil changes, this is a simple step in the right direction. Bottom line, Royal Purple Max Clean is affordable, easy to use, and delivers real-world results. It earns its spot on this list, not by hype, but by quietly doing what it's supposed to do and doing it well. Number 4, Lucas Oil 10003 Fuel Treatment. Now this one's a bit of a classic, and for good reason. Lucas Oil's fuel treatment has been around for a while, but the formula has kept up with modern engines and fuels. If you're someone who just wants something that works without overthinking it, this is one of those grab it and go kind of solutions. What makes this one stand out is how versatile it is. You don't need to figure out if it's right for gas or diesel because it works for both. Got an old SUV and a new compact car in the same driveway? One bottle takes care of both tanks. That kind of flexibility makes it a favorite for people who take care of multiple vehicles or just want to keep things simple. Lucas Oil 10003 isn't just about cleaning. Sure, it helps with buildup in fuel injectors and combustion chambers, but it also acts like a lubricant, especially helpful in high-mileage engines. That smoother engine feel some people talk about after using this? It's real. You might not hear it, but you'll probably feel it when you accelerate or idle. It also helps reduce knocking and pinging, which can make your engine sound a little healthier, especially if it's been running rough. And while the bottle doesn't promise magic, what it does offer is consistency. Use it regularly and your engine stays cleaner, longer. That means fewer surprises down the line. Who's it for? Anyone who wants one product that works across different engines, gas or diesel. Whether you're into cars, trucks, or just want your daily driver to feel smoother, this is a safe, easy pick. Bottom line, Lucas Oil 10003 might not have the flashiest label, but it's reliable, practical, and gets the job done. It's a fuel treatment you can count on, and that's why it holds strong at number 4 on this list. Number 3. BG44K Fuel System Cleaner. Alright, moving into more serious territory, let's talk about BG44K. This one's got a bit of a reputation, especially among mechanics and people who've been around cars for a while. And let me tell you, it lives up to the hype. If you've never used a strong fuel system cleaner before, this one might just be your first real taste of what a heavy-duty formula can do. What sets BG44K apart is how quickly you feel the difference. It's like giving your engine a good shake and saying, "Wake up!" Whether you've got some hesitation on acceleration, a bit of rough idling, or just want to clean out years of carbon buildup, this bottle goes all in, and yeah, you'll probably notice it after one tank. It's especially popular for cars that haven't had regular fuel system maintenance. High mileage, sitting around for a while, check engine light keeps coming back. BG44K is one of those go-to fixes people reach for before heading to the shop, and in many cases, it works well enough to cancel that trip entirely. Now, just a heads up, this stuff is strong. You only need 1 can per full tank of gas, and you really shouldn't overdo it. But that's part of what makes it so effective. It's not meant to be used all the time, it's that once in a while deep clean your engine might be begging for. Who's it for? Drivers dealing with noticeable performance issues, or those who want a serious clean after months or years of neglect. It's not for every fill-up, but when your engine needs it, it shows up big time. Bottom line, BG44K is a professional-grade cleaner packed into a small silver can. It hits hard, acts fast, and delivers real results. That's exactly why it lands at number 3. And if this one grabbed your attention, wait till you see what's coming up next. Our number 2 pick is trusted by millions for a reason. Number 2. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. If you've ever walked through an auto parts store, or even just browsed fuel additives online, chances are you've seen this one. Chevron's Techron Concentrate Plus is one of the most recognizable names in the game, and it's not just hype. This stuff actually works. That's why it's earned a top spot on shelves, and now a top spot on this list. The beauty of Techron is in how balanced it is. It's not a mild, feel-good treatment that barely moves the needle. But it's also not so aggressive that you worry about what it might do to your fuel system. It sits right in that sweet spot. Strong enough to clear out carbon buildup and gunk, but smooth enough to use regularly without overdoing it. It's designed to clean the entire fuel system, not just the injectors, but also intake valves and combustion chambers. What does that mean for you? Smoother starts, cleaner combustion, and yes, better mileage over time. And if your engine has been knocking, hesitating, or just feeling off lately, this is one of those quick and easy fixes that can actually make a noticeable difference. One thing that sets it apart is how widely it's trusted, not just by car owners, but by automakers too. Some manufacturers even recommend Techron directly in their manuals. That tells you something. It's also EPA registered, so you know it's been tested and approved on multiple levels. Who's it for? Everyday drivers who want an easy, reliable cleaner that's safe for regular use. Whether you're driving a compact sedan, a pickup truck, or even a hybrid, Techron is a safe bet. Bottom line, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is consistent, effective, and widely trusted for a reason. It's the kind of product that quietly keeps engines running cleaner and longer, and that's why it ranks so high on this list. And finally, my number 1 pick, Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. If you've spent any time looking up fuel system cleaners, you've probably seen this one pop up again and again, and that's no accident. Redline SI1 has earned a loyal following, not just from car enthusiasts, but from everyday drivers who've actually felt the difference after using it. This bottle doesn't make wild promises, it just delivers. What makes SI1 so impressive is its high concentration of PEA. That's the active ingredient that really gets in there and breaks down carbon deposits. But don't worry, we're not going full chemistry class here. All you really need to know is that it works. It's one of the strongest over-the-counter formulas available, and it's safe to use on pretty much any gasoline engine. Pour it into a full tank of gas, drive like normal, and give it a bit of time. A few days later, you may notice quicker starts, smoother acceleration, and even a small bump in fuel economy. It's not flashy or instant, but it's effective, especially if your car's been neglected or driven hard. It also helps clean up the combustion chamber, which can reduce emissions and improve throttle response. And unlike some treatments, SI1 also contains lubricants to help protect upper cylinder parts. So while it's cleaning, it's also helping reduce future wear. Who's it for? Drivers who want a powerful, complete cleaning solution that doesn't need to be used every fill-up. If you're looking to hit the reset button on your fuel system, this is your go-to. Bottom line. Redline SI1 isn't just a fuel cleaner, it's like a deep detox for your engine. Reliable, powerful, and backed by a reputation built on results. That's exactly why it takes the #1 spot on this list. And that wraps up my countdown of the best fuel injector cleaners you can get this year. Whether you're battling rough starts, sluggish acceleration, or just want better fuel economy, this list proves that the right cleaner can go a long way. From the easy reliability of Royal Purple Max Clean to the powerful Deep Clean of Redline SI1, there's a perfect option for every kind of driver and every kind of engine. So which one's your top pick? Drop it in the comments I read and reply to everyone. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and tap that bell. More honest, no-fluff car care breakdowns are coming your way. Thanks for watching, take care of your ride, and I'll catch you in the next one.